Hey guys, today's not going very good. Our little car garage went for a little ride in the wind over there, and it took the generators that were anchoring it down with it, and the motorcycle that was anchoring down another corner got knocked over. So no good. Here's me trying to fix stuff up. Hope you enjoy. Alright, battery died on the last shot, but you didn't really miss too much. I got it so that it's standing, and I took down the majority of that wall. Now I'm going to try to take down this wall. I'm not sure what to do with that generator there. It might be a lost cause, but I have room on this side of the garage, so I might move it there if it starts downpouring again. Yeah, because it sure sounds like it might. But who knows? I was just talking with my grandma about how someone not too far from us yesterday during that storm, their shed flew away, like far away, and got destroyed. I don't think it was a shed, it sounded like just a little tent because we have a town-wide yard sale coming up soon. Yeah, probably should have done a little more. I'm glad that I cleaned out what I did, but I didn't plan on taking this down anytime soon, or at least not this soon, I meant. Sometimes I don't always get to make those decisions. Well, it was pretty nice while it lasted. It served its purpose, I suppose. I'm just pretty happy that there aren't any major holes. I did see there was a hole, I believe, honestly I don't really remember where, but from when it rolled over, the leg on, I believe, this side might have put a hole on that side. And right now I'm only doing the walls because I'd have to get a ladder in order to take down either the roof or these ends. Alright. I did see two of the legs look bent, or maybe it was just one, this one at least. Yeah, it's got a little, but I just stepped on it and honestly it straightened it back out pretty well. Awesome. This one's good. I'll try to quickly fold it up somewhat nicely. Now what? Because I don't really want to take the whole thing down, but I don't know, man. I don't know. Might have to. This, I believe, already wasn't working, so if it continues to not work, which I'm not too confident because the gas tap was off, and I'm pretty certain at least a little bit of water got in there. So that's probably not good for it, I'm not gonna lie. Next, the motorcycle being knocked over. I'm hoping nothing went wrong, and I'm also hoping the oil puddle that was surrounding the motorcycle was possibly from the generator that went flying through the air. But I don't know. Really not too sure what to do with this now. Actually, yes I am. I can just take the legs off. I'm crazy. You think I'm going to get yelled at for this or be rewarded for taking it into my own hands to take care of everything? Leave your guesses down in the comments below. you'll either see live what the reaction is going to be, or I'll forget to tell you until maybe like a year from now when I get around to editing this video. I am actually editing. I'm making progress finally, and I'm pretty happy with it. I finished my portion of the second video, since the first video, as of right now, is pretty much completely ready. But I'd like to do a little introduction to that second video because it's a little random. Random, unprofessional, all over the place, whatever you'd like to call it. Either way, I'm not too happy with it to just upload it as is all I'm saying. I don't know, lefty loosey with my left hand. I tried to make that my thing early on. I don't know if anyone caught on to that, but I'd always say lefty loosey or loosey goosey, I think. Hey, get out of there! Thank you. Okay, easy does it now. And this isn't too good. I didn't completely plan this out, if I'm being brutally honest. Yeah, that's probably not helping its situation. Yeah, come on out. It's bent up against the goddamn gate. Oh, sorry, I'm a little spooky again. There, now it should be pretty easy. There we go. Yeah, I drove the Beamer today. After replacing the hood latch, I mean, I haven't had to open the hood, like actually had to open it yet. But that's a nice quality of life thing that I haven't had for quite some time now. I remember while I was actually at school, I was paranoid to drive it because the light for low engine oil was coming on. And I'm like, well, I can't really open my hood to top it off, and I don't want to run the car with the engine oil super low, because that's probably not good for it. Ah, so it's just that side now. I'm gonna say it. Yeah, that should be it. Yep, just the side. A little bit up here. That's good. Look at that. Just about no rain. Wow, good thing that didn't land right on you guys and destroy my camera. So it looks like you had it standing up pretty straight. Honestly, it wasn't that bad. It was moved, like this is pretty much where it was moved to, but the legs were kind of folded in and both of the generators were pulled over. Oh, that wasn't too bad, no, was it? Your guys' view is probably completely obstructed. No problemo, there you go. That really wasn't too bad. Nice spider on my tripod. Alright, I'm probably gonna wash up a little bit, wash my hands, get some water. But it's just this stuff now, and that's held together with a bolt and nut. So I'd have to get actual tools. But yeah, overall, hopefully not too bad. Hopefully that bike still runs, because that's kind of all I got right now. And hopefully the garage door opener still works. If not, it wasn't meant to be, so it's fine. That wasn't too bad. That's it for now.